Welcome to the Quick Start tutorial for Lexile and Quantile Career Database. Use the Lexile and Quantile Career Database to identify a career's reading and math demands in trusted Lexile and Quantile metrics to inform goal setting and career preparedness. The careers featured within the Lexile and Quantile Career Database have been identified as Bright Outlook occupations by ONET, the premier online career search database designed for the U.S. Department of Labor. Bright Outlook occupations are careers that are expected to grow and/or emerge in the next few years and offer large numbers of new job openings. You can find the tool in your Lexile and Quantile Hub All Tools page, or navigate there directly using hub.lexile.com/career database. Searching for career information is easy with the Field and Career Search. First, select a field from the Field drop-down list, and then type or select a specific career from the Career drop-down list. Please note that selecting a field is required information. Then, simply click Search to view results. Your results will appear under the search area. Here you will find career information like Bright Outlook status, years of education required, the SOC code, and field, as well as their Lexile reading, Quantile math demands, and the highest math course required. Now you're ready to motivate with Lexile and Quantile career metrics that matter. That concludes this Quick Start tutorial. We'd love to know what you think about the Lexile and Quantile Career Database. Visit support.lexile.com to find more answers or to get in touch with the Lexile and Quantile team. Thanks for watching!